Alright guys, so I'm out here with the new GoPro. I'm gonna chase the kids around. I'm gonna try to test some image stabilization with this as I'm running. I'm hand holding this right now. So next footage you're gonna see is from the GoPro.
Put the place up. Put my face up.
At 4K right now at 30 frames per second. See how image stabilization works. Do a little audio test. My audio right now is set on high. I don't know if you guys hear me. There's a lot of wind out here. It's blowing straight into the camera. So I'm gonna change it to medium now. Okay, so this is audio set on medium. Again, wind is still blowing pretty hard out here. So now it is set on low. It's set to stereo only. I'm not sure what that means. There's an option for wind only. So I'm gonna give the wind only a try after this. Okay, so this is the wind only audio manual control, audio on low. So wind only manual audio control, audio set on medium. All right, manual audio control with wind only, audio set on high. Wind is pretty light, pretty light. A lot of background noise, kids crying. We're at the park, you know how that goes. Audio auto control. It says audio would switch between wind only and stereo only, so it'll go back and forth. I'm not even sure if this even come out or not. Some light wind here. All right, guys. So that concludes our test for this GoPro today. Kids are dropping like flies. We're gonna do some more comparison with this GoPro.
Hey, check it. Put the place up.
And also, another thing, spraying ketchup in your mouth. I was your first customer.
That's just gross, man. That's just
Put the place up.